Hello, today we will guide you through how to add button to mobile header between logo and menu icon in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, tappable call to action sitting neatly between your logo and the mobile menu icon, perfect for driving signups, bookings, or any key action on smaller screens. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and selecting your site. This takes you into the site editor where all design and content tools live. From here, choose Website to enter the main editing environment. This is where we'll make the changes that apply across your site. Before you add any code, switch to the mobile view using the device toggle at the top right. This ensures you're previewing exactly how your header behaves on phones. It's much easier to align and size your new button when you can see the compact mobile header layout. Next, open Pages from the left-hand panel to access the areas tied to your site structure. From within the editor, navigate to the Custom Code section. This is the safe place to add small enhancements that aren't available through the standard style settings. Then move into Custom CSS. We'll be adding styles that create and position the button in your mobile header. Paste the provided CSS into the editor. Place it at the bottom so it loads after your theme's styles, giving it priority. The snippet typically does three things. It introduces or targets a button element that appears only on small screens. It positions that element between the logo and the menu icon using layout rules like order or flex settings, and it styles the button with your brand colors, padding, and radius so it feels native to your design. If the code includes a media query, keep it as is so the button shows only on mobile. Avoid changing class names unless you know your template uses different header selectors. While still in mobile preview, check the header on a few pages. Confirm that the button sits centered between the logo and the menu icon, that the tap area is large enough for thumbs, and that the color has sufficient contrast on any background. If spacing looks tight, gently adjust padding or margin values in the CSS. If elements overlap, lower font size slightly or tweak the flex order to reflow the layout. Save your changes, then refresh the preview to confirm everything sticks. That's it. You've added a polished mobile header button in Squarespace, keeping your most important action front and center for visitors on the go.